Hello and welcome to Everything in Tech. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to change MS Word file into PDF. Before starting the video, I would like to request you, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and press bell icon so you get notifications to more important videos. So, without wasting time, let's get started. Suppose I have this MS Word file and I want to change it into PDF. First, you want to open this MS Word file. Now I'm going to change it into PDF. All you have to do is you want to click on File, then click on Save As, then click on Browse, then click here, click on Save As Type, and select PDF option, Portable Document Format option. If you do not see this PDF option here, then click on the link shown in top right corner of the screen. Also, a link of this video is given in the description below. Then you want to click on PDF, then click on Save. Here you can see my MS Word file has been changed into PDF format. Now close both of them. Here you can see my PDF file has been created. Let me open it. It's all here. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching the video. I hope it was helpful to you. If it was, smash the thumbs up button and do not forget to subscribe and also share with your friends.